In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use class tracking in QuickBooks Online. Class tracking is a powerful feature in QuickBooks Online that lets you organize and analyze your business activities by categorizing transactions into different classes. Whether you want to track income and expenses by department, location, or business segment, class tracking can give you the insights you need to make informed decisions. If you're new to QuickBooks Online or haven't used this feature yet, it's easy to set up and start using. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To begin, the first step is to enable class tracking within your QuickBooks Online settings. Log into your account and navigate to the Settings menu, typically represented by a gear icon in the upper right corner. From there, select the Advanced tab, and under the Categories section, turn on the option for class tracking. Be sure to save your changes before exiting the Settings menu. Once you've enabled class tracking, it's important to verify that the feature is active. To do this, open any transaction form like an invoice or an expense and check for the class drop-down menu. If you see it, class tracking is ready to use. Now let's create or edit a transaction and apply a class. Start by opening any transaction type. This could be an invoice, sales receipt, expense, check, bill, vendor credit, or even a journal entry. On the transaction form, look for the class drop-down menu. When you click on it, you'll see a list of available classes. Choose the class that best represents the transaction. For example, if you're tracking by department, you might select sales or marketing. If you're tracking by location, you might select West Coast or East Coast. The idea is to use classes that align with how you want to categorize your business activities. When naming your classes, keep it simple and descriptive. This makes it easier for everyone on your team to understand and use the same terminology. Consistency is key, so make sure the class names are clear and relevant to your business operations. As you move forward, apply these classes to all your transactions consistently. By doing this, you'll create a well-organized dataset that can provide valuable insights over time. If you have the capacity, it's also a good idea to go back and update past transactions with the appropriate classes. While this step isn't mandatory, it will help you complete your dataset and ensure your reports are as accurate as possible. You don't have to do this all at once. Just tackle it as time allows. Once your transactions are categorized, you can start sorting and reviewing them using the class filter. This can be done in your transaction list or specific reports. Filtering by class allows you to organize your data and focus on particular areas of your business. Finally, generate reports filtered by class to gain deeper insights into your income, expenses, and overall financial performance. With these reports, you can analyze different areas of your business and make data-driven decisions to optimize your operations. And that's it. Class tracking in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward yet powerful tool that can help you better understand your business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.